Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. Today I am making a video about medical science study in Belize. Belize is a country which is beside USA, Mexico, which is land border with Miami, Florida. Just 1 hour flight from Miami, Florida. We are registered agent of Belize University, where is taught medical science, different courses of medical science like graduation MBBS, MD course, and PGD course, and different trainings and different short courses. So now I am coming to the point about on the discussion of Belize University. Belize, a Commonwealth nation in Central America, bordering Mexico, prioritizes tourism with over 50% of visitors from the US and Canada. Cordial town near the Mexican border is largely English-speaking village. City is located 1 hour flight from Miami, Florida. About Belize University. Canadian University in Belize, CUB is School of Medical and Applied Science, located in the Central America in Caribbean region, has introduced a teaching and learning methodology, preparing its students for a meritorious professional career, especially in the North American market. Doctor of Medicine MD program. On signing of the charter with Government of Belize, Canadian University in Belize has launched the Doctor of Medicine MD program, offering world-recognized students centered and innovative academic curriculum to transform youth into committed and competent healthcare professionals. Bringing students globally under one umbrella to share, collaborate knowledge, experience, and learning from different and diverse, diversified cultural background and continents. Offering a medical degree, providing licensing and practice pathways acceptable in America, Canada, and worldwide. Admission requirements. In addition to the academic requirements, the following will also make up the application: English proficiency. Application whose language is not English may be required to take IELTS, PT, TOEFL, other recognized language test with overall minimum internationally acceptable scores. Personal statement. Two letter of recommendation from the institution head of departments. All medical students are required to complete USMLE Step 1 prior to start clinical rotation. MCAT needs to be completed before starting clinical rotation. MD program M options. 4 years MD programs for students with bachelor's degree in a relevant field: medicine, pharmacy, public health, allied health science, etc. Students need a B or CPA of 3.0 to be eligible. 5.5 years MD program for students who have completed intermediate or equivalent pre-medical. Students need a B plus to be eligible. Clinical rotation in USA to be organized in USA in third and fourth year of medical school, subject to meeting USA requirements. Third year core clinical rotation of 40 weeks, including international medicine, surgery, pedi- pediatrics, physicianry. Fourth year electives of 30 weeks. After successfully completing the program, you will receive a Doctor of Medicine MD degree from CUB, qualifying you for licensing. Apply for residency, internship, and fellowship. Sit for USMLE Step 2, Step 3. Exams passing USMLE Step is requirements for clinical placement. Successfully write your MCAT requirement for clinical placement in USA. Pursue postgraduate studies. Start your medical career USA. Program duration 5.5 year for high school or equivalent, intermediate or O levels. Fourth year bachelor degree holder. Program structures pre-medical. The first 2 years for students with high school or equivalent is the pre-medical. This covers basic sciences over 6 semesters in 2 years, leading to a bachelor degree in science. Pre-med degree. Students need to complete pre-medical to enter the MD program. Program structure: MD program. Phase 1 year and 2 of MD program. Medical science 2 years. Phase 2 years 3 and 4. Clinical rotation in major specialties including medicine, surgery, P- Pediatrics, OB, Gyno, Emergency Medicine, and more clinical rotation in the USA. Students are required to have completed USMLE Step 1 and MCAT before clinical placement. Now, I discuss on the tuition fees of Belize University. MD programs application and attachment fees. Application fees one time non-refundable 95 US dollar. Admission fee one time non-refundable US dollar 200. Total application and admission fees 295 US dollar. Bank charges or on each transaction USD 75. Total payment at time of application 370 USD. Pre-med program first 2 years 6 terms leading to BS science degree fees USD. Tuition fees basic science 6 terms leading to pre-med degrees 3,950 annual per term. Total 23,700. Lab fees 6 term 375 USD per annum and total for uh, 2 years 200 2,250. Admission fees paid term 6 terms 375. Total cost for pre-med 1,350. Sorry, total cost for pre-med 27,300. 2 years for 2 years program. MD program has 2 years of medical sciences fees USD. Tuition fees medical sciences 6 terms USD 950 annual per term. Total 44,750. Graduation fees and term 375. Lab fees 6 terms 395 and 2,370 in total. Admin fees per term 6 terms 350, total 2,100. Total cost for 2 years of medical sciences 50,945 USD. MD program last 2 years of internship clinical rotations fees USD. Clinical rotation fees 42 weeks USD 40,950 in total. Medical insurance fees 6 term USD 350, total 2100. Total cost for 2 years of international clinical rotations 44,400. Estimated living cost for one person in shared accommodation USD in Porojal. Rent shared accommodation in 2-3 bedrooms house 200 to $350 per month. Groceries 150 to 250 per month. Electricity, butane, water etc. 150 to 200 USD. Transport USD 100. Total estimated monthly cost for one person 700 to 1050 US dollar. This is the total uh, calculation, total estimate of tuition fee for Belize University for studying MD course or pre-med course. A lot of students from everywhere, every country, uh, which is less developed country in the world like Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Nepal, Bhutan, even Malaysia. From this country, African country, a lot of students uh, are going to study to developed country at the field of medicine. So, Belize University is one of the famous university for medicine department like MD, Bachelor and Diploma courses. So, doctors who are practicing in Bangladesh, uh, they can complete their degree MD course from Belize University, and after completing MD, they receive a license to practice there, and after receive the license, then they can apply for PR in USA or Canada. Then that will be easy to achieve PR by under EB2 program as a scholar. So this is the process. Goodwill for all. I hope who are studying medicine in Bangladesh in different medical colleges and who are practicing as a physician in different hospitals. So the doctors and all the medicine students will listen my video attentively, and that can be uh, beneficiary for them. So thank you very much. I hope that all will listen my video and like my video and subscribe my video in my YouTube channel. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum.